What's in there, bud?
Good.
Water's in there. Is it cold? Don, do you have your hood on so your head doesn't get wet? Hey, Don, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Yep, leave your hood on.